Hey guys, Garrett with Vitesniks. We got a 2018 GoldWing DCT automatic. What makes this thing special is that it's got a CSC Trike kit on it. So this unit is a one-owner unit, just traded in, and about a year ago he decided to put a kit on it. We did it here in-house. It's a California Sidecar, and he decided three wheels wasn't for him, and he traded it back in for a two-wheel GoldWing. So I'll tell you a little bit about the bike and a little bit about the Trike here, and then we'll fire it up and take it for a rip. So 7-speed automatic, you hit the start button, you put it in drive, and you just go. The CSC kit is a independent suspension kit. It's got a great sway bar on it. It handles the corners well. It's super smooth on the straightaways. Another thing that we do is we rake out the front end to make this thing handle better, so you don't get so much steering feedback, and it goes over the bumps a little smoother. CSC has a pretty awesome warranty, so there's gonna be some transferable warranty left on this kit. And like I said, it's an independent suspension with a sway bar, handles great. They have their own differential. They make a lot of their own parts. Most of them are in-house. It's a super high-end kit. It's the best on the market in our opinion. And like I said, we built this bike right here in-house, and of course we sell them and we service them. A couple extras on this bike. We got the tall windscreen. Of course, the windscreen is adjustable. It's electric up and down. It also comes with the factory one. And then we have the passenger backrest and the Honda cargo rack here in the back. The other accessories on it are going to be the highway pegs mounted right up here to the heads. This is a pearl brown stallion paint color from Honda in 2018. It's a brown orange metallic, and we got the black wheel accents, the black engine. It looks pretty sharp. We'll pop the trunk here, show you all the storage that this thing has. So we have a carpeted interior here. As you can see, it comes with a cover for the bike, and then also the factory windscreen is hiding inside here. I guess with all that being said, I'll hop on the bike and give her a fire up here and let you hear the sound of the exhaust. The exhaust sounds excellent. It handles like a dream. Can't believe how smooth the grips are. There's no vibration with the stick on it. Corners down. Sounds good, and the seat is comfortable. Come on down to the test station and just take a test drive.